Lacey from Landscapers Pride is here with us today, and I'm excited. We get to talk about little projects. So you have brought aggregates with us, with you today. So let's start with the River Pebble.
Yes.
Tell me about, when am I going to use River Pebble?
River Pebble is a beautiful and loud, but a beautiful decorative waterway, waterwork area, hardscaping product.
Great. And it's so shiny and clean.
Yes, we triple wash our River Pebble so that you're not having to deal with a lot of dust whenever you get it home, and you can see the color right away.
It is, and good size too. It can be used in the bottom of my containers, right?
Yeah, that would help with some root growth and aeration.
Nice. Okay, and then we've got the decomposed granite.
Yes. This is a product that comes from the hill country and the quarries.
Nice, local.
Definitely, and it also has a really beautiful red hue to it. It is known for its durability to last a long time, so people will use it for their pathways.
Okay, I can put this on a walkway. That's where I've seen it. It's beautiful.
Yes.
And then we have the landscape gravel.
Yes.
Now this is smaller. When am I going to use this?
It's a pea gravel, so it is great for a wide variety of general purpose use. All of our aggregates are Texas sourced, and so this is a beautiful product for walkways or your landscape beds, whatever you feel like using it for.
Okay, I can just amend it. Use it as sort of an extra piece in my beds.
Mostly on top.
Just on top. Okay.
Yes.
Well, it's beautiful. And all of these you brought. We also have
Expanded Shell is not here with us today, but it is also an awesome product as well. Okay. It is processed, and when it's processed, it holds a tremendous amount of water, essentially. So it absorbs, it's porous, but it also releases that water over time slowly so that you are retaining and conserving.
Great. Well, Landscapers Pride has so many beautiful aggregates, and I appreciate you bringing them in today, Lacey. Thanks very much.
Thanks for having me.
And this has been Landscapers Pride. We've gone over their aggregates, and this is HomeShowGardenPros.com, and you can also follow us on YouTube.